everyone. I hope everyone had a great week last week. So this week we are working on our Unit 1 exam. Last week we just finished up Chapter 4, which was all about how you learn best. So Unit 1 exam is going to be over Chapters 1, 12, 3, and 4. So if you remember, Chapter 1 was all about getting acclimated with college, the resources available to you. Chapter 12 was about career focus. Chapter 3 was about time management and where you put your energy in managing your time in college. And Chapter 4, we finished last week, was discussing what type of learner you are. So with that being said, we are going to have our first exam. So I can't believe we're already in week 5. So our first exam, as I mentioned, covers those 4 chapters. One of the other things that you're going to be completing in addition to your Unit 1 exam is you have to still work on the Exploring the Field project. So I told you that you will have to complete a reflection. You have 3 video reflections you have to do this semester. We do 1 for each unit. So that means your first one is due. So what you're going to do is, if you look up here, I kind of step by step tell you what to do and how you'll get through this unit this week. But you'll see there's a link here to the videos. What you're going to do is you're going to watch videos or pick a video to watch from a different field. And I always tell students, try to pick one that you may not be interested in, or maybe one that seems kind of interesting, but it's not your career path. Because the whole point is to explore. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch the video and you're going to complete the reflection. I've already did a separate video, so I'm not going to spend time going into that. However, if you do have questions, I'm more than happy to help you. Once again, everything for Exploring the Field is underneath Unit 3 inside of the table of contents. There is a section that says Exploring the Field career videos, and that's where you will go to get your video. And then underneath the video you choose, you're going to see a reflection, and that's what you're going to be submitting to Dropbox. So I did want to show you, if you scroll down in Unit 1, you're going to see the link for the Dropbox. So you can just click on it and submit it. It is due Thursday, October 3rd. And our exam, our Unit 1 exam, that's over Chapters 1, 12, 3, and 4, it also closes October the 3rd at 11:30 p.m. Now, I did want to note here, when you look, exams are a little bit different than quizzes. And what I mean by that is that for quizzes, you had multiple attempts to try to get your best grade. So that helped improve your score, but also it helped give you a lot of feedback and allowed you to see the material more than one time. Exams, you only have 1 attempt, so you cannot take it multiple times. They are timed just like the quizzes. However, you do have 50 minutes to complete it. There are 60 questions. They are, some might be true false, some might be multiple choice, and so on. But please do not start the exam until you're ready to begin and you feel prepared. Now, I did provide you with lots of options here for you to help you study. You have an exam review sheet, which I think is really helpful because it's just breaking down the most important things out of each chapter that you need to focus on and study. The other thing that you have to help you is what we call those reading organizers. So in each chapter, I gave you that outline, which was reading organizers, and I said that you don't submit them right now. Do not put them in Dropbox. You could use them for studying, and I hope that you've, up to this point, been using them. Another thing that I told you is that I would collect them. And what I mean by that is you would email me your completed reading organizers for Chapters 1, 12, 3, and 4, and you can earn bonus points toward the exam. So with that being said, if you have completed reading organizers for Chapters 1, 12, 3, and 4, I would like you to email them to me. I will look at them to make sure they're complete, and then you will receive those extra bonus points on the exam. And I will make sure I email you back showing that you did get the extra, that I am putting the extra points in there for you on the exam. So there will be sort of a little bit of an override for you, but you will receive those additional bonus points, which is helpful in the overall grade average. So another thing that I want you to kind of take advantage of, if you will, is I give you some kind of ways to test yourself and feedback to see where you are. So you have what we call Quizlets. Quizlets are great because they allow you to take little tests, little quizzes to see how you're doing on the material. So you have Quizlet matching, Quizlet learn, Quizlet test, kind of test yourself like a mini test, and then you have the flashcards. So all those are available for study tools. And don't forget, the exam does close on Thursday. You only have one attempt, and please make sure you complete the exam. All right, guys, and also don't forget the Exploring the Field. You do have to turn in that first video reflection. That's all I have for you this week. So make sure that you spend this time studying and completing your Exploring the Field video reflection 1. Reach out if you have any questions. I hope that you guys have a great week. And until next time, take care.